Hello, today we are making an easy steamed egg custard for breakfast. The texture is smooth and slightly creamy. The egg custard is not too sweet and is balanced by the sweetness of the honey. First, place 2 eggs in a measuring cup. Beat the eggs well. Add 1 teaspoon of sugar. Then add milk. If you do not consume dairy, you can replace it with any milk of your choice. Then add water and mix well. Pour the mixture into a bowl that is suitable for steaming. You can use any type of bowl. Each bowl should hold 200 ml of liquid. You can also add any fruit you like. Just make sure the fruit is ripe. Fill the wok with water and place the steaming rack inside. The water level should be just below the level of the steaming rack. Bring the water to a boil. Then reduce the heat to low. Place the bowls on the steaming rack and cover with a plate. Cover the wok with a lid and leave a gap of about half a centimeter to get a smooth texture. Steam on low heat for 12 to 15 minutes. When it's done, you can test it by gently shaking the bowl. It should be jiggly in the middle while the sides remain firm. The honey is quite solid, so just cover it with a plate and it will melt within a few minutes. Oh, so yummy. It looks so good. The texture is so smooth and not too creamy. And egg custard is not too sweet and it's balanced by the sweetness of the honey. That's it. Enjoy this while it's warm. I hope you like it. Let me know in the comments below. If you like this recipe, please share it with your friends. Thanks for watching. See you next time.